Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language, select English, tap next, then you have to select your region, then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to agree with user agreement and privacy policy, tap next. Next you can connect your SIM card, but if you don't have one, you can just skip this step and connect SIM card anytime later. Then you have these Google services. If you want, you can leave them, but if you don't want them, you can disable them here. But in any case, you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up yourself a screen lock. You can set fingerprint, or you can set pattern, pin or password as your screen lock, but if you want, you can just skip this step for now and do this later in settings. Here you have some of additional settings, then tap next, and for the last thing you have to select default launcher, classic or app drawer. And now you have to select the theme, classic or limitless. And setup complete. Now it's loading apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.